Good morning everybody, how are you all doing this morning? We are good today, back in the kitchen, so we're going to do some lovely cooking for you today. I know that I use courgettes quite a lot, but actually I love them and they're a really good cupboard staple. They're always in the fridge and they're really versatile, so you can use them for pretty much anything really, as a meat or even a pasta replacement. But today we are going to be doing, I guess I don't think it really has a name, and it's going to be a spinach and ricotta kind of wrap, if you like. So we will be using courgettes to wrap up some lovely filling and popping it on top of like a tomatoey base that we're going to make from scratch, so that we're not using jarred things of like a bolognese thing or anything like that. So we're going to make that from scratch, put these lovely rolls of courgette on the top and then bake them. It's absolutely delicious, and I guess this meal kind of replaces for me cannellini. So you know, like the tubes of pasta that you get that are filled with like spinach and ricotta. They're delicious, but of course we're trying to cut out the pasta and take in less carbs. So we'll be using courgettes to replace those pasta tubes. And I guess in the same kind of way we'll be almost filling them, but instead we'll kind of roll them up in these cute little rolls. And they look good too, because they look like little roses on top of the tomato, so it's quite cute. Obviously you can do this one as big or as little as you like, so if it's just the two of you at home you can just do a small one. We do the whole family here, so I will be making quite a large one, but obviously you can section that up if you want, or if you wanted to batch it, and you've got some smaller dishes, then I would do them individually because you could freeze them. So stick them in the freezer for another day. So yes, anyway, I'm looking forward to this one. Quite hungry this morning, so I can't wait to eat this one for my lunch. But anyway, let's get cooking. delicious, and I can't wait to get stuck into that. So if you're looking for more vegetarian dishes that are low carb, then please do subscribe to the channel, because we'll be sharing new things with you every week. I look forward to seeing you there. Enjoy! I know I'm going to.